Hi, this is just me unboxing my bag of snacks the night before. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, for today, we're gonna try a bunch of snacks in sets of 2 so I can compare which one I like or the other. So if you know what I like to eat, you should watch all the way to the video, to the end of the video, because there are some really yummy things. And if you for some reason think that you want to get the same snacks, just go to the description box, click, and then you'll find a link to our Thai, and that's where if you stay in Singapore, you're based in Singapore, click on that link to get the snacks that I purchased. It's from our Thai Snack Mart Singapore. It's me again. Welcome to the channel. Today we're not going to do any unboxing, we're going to do eating instead of all the snacks I bought over the months. First off, you're going to have yogurt cake, strawberry, banana and chocolate. They have pandan, custard, melon, Hokkaido milk, what else? Kaya. Let's start with, I already tried this already, and I know which is my favorite, but I'm just going to show you. Let's start off with marble chocolate cake. Break it into 2 so you can see the cross section. I'm going to eat one. It's nice. But I'll tell you which one's my favorite, okay? Until I finish my stock, I wouldn't buy more lah. This is banana. Oh, all the fillings here. Banana. And finally, strawberry. Chocolate, I have to say it's not dry. It's pretty moist, as you can see in my hands. So I had chocolate, banana and strawberry. Guess which one is my favorite? Strawberry. It's super yummy. Next, we have corn snack from 7-Eleven, Thailand. I bought them in 2 flavors, milk and chocolate. I'm gonna start with milk first. It kind of looks like a giant super wing or chisel. This is milk, okay? My first time trying it. It's nice. I didn't expect, I don't like anything milky except for the milk chocolate candy. Plain milk I don't like. But it's nice. It's sweet, it's salty. It's just nice. The smell is just, you taste more corn than you smell more milk. Is that funny? But I just smell corn. But even if you don't like milk, I think you can try this. It's good. Next, chocolate. I've seen Aura try this online. It looks good and I believe her when she says it's good. I think it's the same thing, that this is coated in milk, this is coated in chocolate. So hang on, I'm gonna take one piece. I'm gonna eat it now. It's not sweet at all. At all. You can taste the chocolate, you can smell the chocolate, but it's not sweet. You know what it tastes like? Oh my bo. You know the chocolate corn snack that you get from the penguin shop? I like that shop, the penguin shop. It tastes exactly like omaibo. Really good, I like it. Next, I'm gonna try Bento drumstick spicy. Hot, sweet and spicy. It's my first time buying this. And this is Jack and Jill chocolate biscuit with coated cheese from 7-Eleven, Thailand. I'm gonna try this first. It smells very milky. I'm gonna eat it. crunchy. It's cheesy. I like cheese, I like chocolate. But it's a little bit cloyingly sweet. I don't know, maybe it's an acquired taste. If you like it, you like it. Next, I'm very excited for this. And get one little drumstick out. It's super tiny, I tell you. Cute, right? It's yummy. It tastes exactly like this squid thing. Exactly. Sweet and spicy. I gave her one last night. I didn't tell her it's the spicy one. She almost died. So these two, I like this. This one is just an acquired taste. Or maybe it's just not my taste. Next we're going to try Voice. I have them in cracker and in waffle. Cracker is strawberry, waffle is chocolate mocha. In my earlier video I already tried the chocolate cracker for Voice. Now it's strawberry. It smells damn good. It smells like strawberry milk. I'm gonna eat the whole thing, huh? Next time I'm gonna take a smaller piece so I don't chew so long and then you guys just watch me chewing. Next I'm gonna try the Voice waffle. This is my first time trying the waffle. I got it in choco mocha. It smells very coffee. I mean like very strong coffee. Yeah, it's stuck. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, how do I open this? So long. Oh, it's a long thing. Okay then. So we're gonna bite it like that. So I've tried both. Waffle and cracker, the strawberry. It smells good. It tastes good. But this one, I know I've never had a waffle that tastes strongly of coffee and I like this a lot. I like both of them. But this is number one. Next I'm gonna try two blue color chips. One is Lay's spicy salted prawn. And this is Testo crab curry. I'll try curry first. It's those wavy chips. The smell of curry is very strong, but it is not really. It's not spicy also. It's very faint curry taste. Very, very faint. So I think kids can eat this. It's not spicy or whatever. Just the smell. Next is my Lay's spicy salted prawns. This smells like prawn cracker and raw chili. If you understand what it means, prawn cracker and raw chili. It smells very chili-ish. This might be a little bit spicy for kids. Yeah. But given a choice, which one will I like better? What do you think? This one. I just like thinner chips. I don't like thick chips. Because like thick chips is just too much. Thin and crispy is good. Let me just try one more. This is one of the newer flavor. Spicy salted prawn. The picture looks good though. And it tastes good. Next, we have Twins shrimp head tom yum flavor and butter caramel chili paste flavored party chips. This one, I didn't order it for the first time. She gave it to me in one of my snack box. So I randomly try it and I like it. So like the next order, I actually bought two of this. I know I like it already, but I'll just show you. think a lot of people like this. It's super light. It smells spicy though, but it's super light, super airy, sweet, and a little bit spicy, like maybe 10% spicy. It's very, very enjoyable to have this. I mean, if I see it in the shop, I wouldn't buy it, but it's good. Thanks for giving me a free one, and now I like it so much. Now I buy myself. Next is the shrimp head. I don't like to eat shrimp in real life. I only eat chicken. Oh, this is quite scary though. It looks like, you know, when you peel the prawn, then you take out all the shells and the legs. It looks like legs and battered tempura legs. It tastes like when you peel a prawn, then you realize you have one piece of shell, then you just swallow it. Yeah, tastes like that. It smells very prawny. Maybe if you ask someone who likes prawn, to get you a better one. They all look very good actually. I don't know which part is which part. It's like prawn shells. I think you can get it in original or tom yum. So this shrimp head, I bought 2 packets. I gave one to my sister because she likes, I don't know, I just give it to her. I don't know if she like it or not. However, if you drink beer, maybe this is a bit good beer snack. But to me, because I don't like shrimp or prawns, it tastes like shells with flour. So between these two, this is my go-to. Next, we have this giant bag of dinosaur crackers. When I saw it on Aura's live, I was like, I'm not gonna buy that. Why would I buy dinosaur chips? Like, how old am I? But guess what? One day I order it. I fall into the trap of dinosaurs. Who doesn't like dinosaurs, right? No matter how old you get. It's really big though, compared to all the rest of the chips. Super big. I already cut it, I'm gonna take it some out. Is it just air? It's just half filled. I'll try to take some out so you can see the dinosaur. Oh. What is this? What? The head book. Okay, I got one though. Okay, the smell is like those when you eat at an Indonesian place and then they give you a bowl of shrimp crackers, shrimp chips. It smells like that. Very faint shrimp flavor. However, when you bite into them, right, it's like this. You know, there's these chips called onion rings. The Korean chips called onion rings. It tastes exactly like that. So is it good? Is it better than onion rings? Yes, it is because it's dinosaur shape. I bought 3 bags of this because dinosaurs, so why not, right? How about we end this video with something sweet? We have super lemon botan mini balls. A lot of people order this. They like order 10 botan please, 10 botan please. I only order 4. And this is yo-yo gummy in 4 flavors. Berry blast, apple, grape, it's very small and raspberry. I'll try raspberry first. Very pretty. Smells good. It smells good. And tastes good too. Next I'm going to try grape. Grape smells like grape bubblegum. 2 flavors down, 2 more to go. Apple. Apple smells good also. Next we have berry blast. Yeah. Of the 4 flavors, right? I think my favorite is apple and raspberry. So these two. Next, we're gonna try the ever famous botan. Get 7. 1, 2, yeah, 7. I'll get the center one, okay? Apparently it's super sour and it has a sour powder in the middle and it's coated with something white. Let me just finish the sour part. It's actually quite nice. The lemon has a very nice smell. The sourness, right, it just lasts maybe 4 seconds. Yeah. Because it's a hard candy, I'm gonna bite through it and tell you what the powder tastes like, okay? Oh. So the feeling of this candy is just the thing coated outside. It's the same thing but in powder form inside. This is good if you're not feeling too good, you got car sick, motion sickness and you want to puke. This should help you. And you probably won't puke after that. So the comparison between botan and yo-yo gummy, which one do I like? I like both. This smells so good and super yummy. Each of them has a different distinct smell and this one is refreshing. I like both. No winners, both are winners. Okay, that's all for today. I've eaten a lot of snacks. Thank you for staying on the video, watching me chew and chew and chew and chew my way through the bag of snacks. Thank you for your patience. Enjoy the videos and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe and share the videos. I'll see you again on my next eating video, okay? Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.